In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage workflows in Jira. If you're not familiar with Jira, it's a powerful project management tool often used for agile software development. Keeping workflows organized in Jira can help your team execute projects smoothly by clearly defining each stage of your process and ensuring efficient collaboration. To begin, the first step is to access Jira. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Jira website. Log in with your credentials and you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see an overview of all your active projects. It's important to have your login details ready so you can jump right into your work without any delays. Once you're on your Jira dashboard, focus on the project you'd like to work on. This is typically displayed within your project list. Click on the project name to open it. You'll find yourself in the project view where you can access various elements such as issues, backlog, and boards. It's in this space that you'll manage team tasks and track progress. Next, navigate to the Board section. To do this, look for the Board option in the project menu. This is where you'll do most of the organizing and management related to tasks and workflows. Once you're on the board, look for a three-dot menu icon typically located on the top right of the screen. Clicking this icon will reveal additional options related to your project board. Click on the Manage Workflows option from this menu. This step is crucial as it will allow you to configure or update your team's workflow. Within the workflow management area, you have the flexibility to tailor the workflow according to your project needs. You can add new statuses to reflect various stages of a task, create transitions to define how tasks move from one stage to another, or even implement rules to automate certain actions based on triggers. This customization is essential for ensuring that your workflow mirrors your actual business process and helps guide your team through each step effectively. Finally, once you're satisfied with the workflow configuration, ensure everything looks good and serves your project needs. Testing your workflow to simulate task transitions can be incredibly helpful to verify that all changes work as expected. When everything's set, your workflow management is done. And there you go. Managing workflows in Jira doesn't have to be complex. By following these steps, you'll be able to create an efficient structure that helps task management feel more intuitive and organized for your team. As you gain familiarity with Jira's features, you'll find opportunities to refine your workflows further, increasing productivity, minimizing errors, and making the most of what Jira has to offer.